This beautiful end unit, 3-story townhouse-style condo offering 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and low-maintenance living. This well-maintained home features a versatile and spacious layout designed for today's lifestyle. The first floor offers a flexible open space, perfect for a home office, gym, or study. The second floor showcases an open-concept design with a bright and inviting living area, a well-appointed kitchen with plenty of cabinet and counter space, and a dining area that leads to a private balcony, ideal for relaxing or entertaining. Your primary suite is located on the 3rd floor, including a private bath and walk-in closet, along with 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath. 1-car garage with a 2-car driveway, providing ample parking and convenience. As an end unit, enjoy added privacy and natural light throughout. Near shopping, dining, and major commuter